Hi my lovely people, I am decorating my Christmas tree today. I am doing it slowly, without rushing, without trying to make it perfect. I just want this to feel calm. I am starting with the ornaments I love the most, placing them one by one, stepping back and adjusting when it feels right. There is no plan, I am just following the moment. I notice how different this feels when I slow down. Even simple things can feel meaningful when you give them time. I'm making a big bow for this tree. I wanted something handmade, something soft, something real. I like creating things with my hands. It makes the moment quieter. This bow is going right on the top. It feels like the piece that holds everything together, not perfectly, just gently. Looking at the tree now, it feels warm, a little uneven, a little playful, and very real. This feels like enough. Thank you for being here with me. If you are watching this, I hope you give yourself permission to slow down today too.